Okay, come on. Open up. Open up.
I'm not saying that alcoholism is not recognized under the American with Disability Act. What I'm saying is you still have to perform the same as any other person would at your job. The allegations here are that this man was abusive, he wasn't doing his job properly.
Did she get it?
Nope, I'll get her on the next scoop.
He doesn't get special accommodations just because he's an alcoholic. And I don't see this case going anywhere with him because he just was performing lesser than everyone else on the job.
She got to take a pill. Okay, open up. Let's get this done. Come on. Help a brother out, Dixie.
But going forward, if people are able to use this as a defense, they could never be fired.
Yeah, she got it that time.
Oh, Dixie. Shoving peanut butter down her throat, but she likes licking the spoon. There you go, pill all taken.